Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will continue the chapter, that is chapter number 7, The New Doll. This chapter, the title, The New Doll, it is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Uh, he was one of the most prominent personality in the world, and he had awarded Nobel Prize in Literature. In my previous video, I had given explanation the first few paragraph, that is part 1 and part 2. Now from today we will start from part 3. The old man was utterly scared of his daughter. She was strict and everyone in the family heeded her dictates. So finally, after having argument between the old man and his granddaughter, the old man took out his raw material from his clothes bag and 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 uh, and finally he had started making dolls for his granddaughter. Part 3, it said the old man, he was completely scared of his daughter because she was strict and everyone in the family pay attention towards her, because she every day time she issue and commands and orders in the family. Today, engrossed in his doll making, the old man didn't realize his daughter was approaching him from behind, flailing her arms. That day, when the grand old man craftsman, he was making doll, but he was paying attention and making doll. The old man didn't realize that his daughter was approaching near to him from behind, uh, and swinging her arm. As she called out to him, he took off his glasses and kept staring at her like an innocent child. His daughter said, "The cow is yet to be milked, and here you are, wasting time with Subhadra. Is it her age to play with dolls?" Here, Subhadra, this is the name of the old man's granddaughter. Now, the old man, completely scared of his daughter, and he talks rapidly, said, "Why should Subhadra play with it? I will sell these dolls at the palace. The day my daddy gets married, she had to have a gold necklace. I want to save money for that." So, in this line, the old man said, "Why should Subhadra play with? I am making this doll because one day my granddaughter will get married and I will have to buy a gold necklace for her. So that's why I want to save money for that." Annoyed, the daughter snapped at the place who would buy such dolls. After hearing this, the old man hung his head in shame and became quiet, because uh, nobody uh, nobody wants to buy the dolls that made by the old man. Now Subhadra, his granddaughter, shook her head and said, "Let me see how anyone can stop herself from buying the other dolls at the palace." Now part 4. A couple of days later, Subhadra returned with a gold coin and said to her mother, "Take this mohur, the price of my dada's doll." Mother asked, "Where did you get this?" The daughter said, "I sold the doll at the palace." After spending a couple of days later, Subhadra returned with a gold coin and said to her mother, take this mohur." Mohur is a name of gold coin used as a currency at that time. So she had uh, she had got the price of his grandfather's doll. So her mother asked, "Where did you get this?" The daughter said, "I sold the doll at the palace." The old man said with a chuckle, "Granddaughter, if only your dada could see better, his hand would not shake so oft." Delighted, her mother said, "If we have just 16 of these mohurs, we can get a necklace for Subhadra." Now, Her mother got delighted. She was very happy and said, "If if we will get a 16 of these gold coins, we will easily get a gold necklace for Subhadra." "No worry then," assured the old man. Now, old man, he was finally uh, getting confidence, and he said, "No worry, that do not need to worry about that. I will, I will made, he will made many more dolls." Subhadra embraced her grandfather and said, "Dada bhai, no worry for finding my husband." The old man started laughing as he wiped a drop of tear off his eyes. So we have done 3 and 4. Now last part it is. The old man had found his youth bag sitting under the tree. He would make dolls as Subhadra chased away the crow and the oxen pulled out water from the well in the distance. Now finally the old man had found his youth bag. He again sat under the tree, started making the dolls as Subhadra chased away the crow and the oxen poured out water from the well in the distance. One by one, the 16 mohurs were in place, now strung into a beautiful necklace. Now, after spending so many years, when the grandfather had made so many dolls, many more dolls, then uh, he he now after selling um, many dolls, he he would be um, able to purchase a gold necklace for her granddaughter. The mother said, "Only the groom is missing." So Bhadra whispered into the old man's ear, "Dada bhai, my groom is ready." Now Subhadra silently says something into the old man's ears that, "Grandfather, my groom is ready." That means she had already found the groom, found her groom. Grandfather asked, "Tell me, Dadi, where did you find him?" Subhadra said, "The day I went to the palace, the guard asked me what I was there for. I told him I wanted to sell dolls to the princess." So she said, the day when she wanted to um, sell those dolls that the grandfather had made at the palace, the guard asked me, why did you come here?" She said that she wanted to sell dolls to the princess, but the guard said that these dolls won't sell and turned me away. A man who was observing me, he said, "Here, give me your doll, and I will beautifully decorated this doll, and this will sell very well. So if you like this man, Dada, I shall be happy to put the garland around his neck." Now again after that she said that, "Grandfather, if you like this man, I will be happy to put the garland around his neck." The old man asked, "Where is he?" "There under the pial tree," replied the granddaughter. Now the groom entered in the room, and the old man said, "Arey, this is Kishan Lal." That is the same Kishan Lal, the young craftsman, who is very energetic, and he had made some extraordinary dolls so that people living in the king's courtyard, uh, they wanted to purchase the dolls made by Kishan Lal. Now Kishan Lal touched the old man's feet and said, "Yes, I am Kishan Lal." Now the old man hugged him tight, impressed him tight. Impressed means hug him tight, and said, "My dear, one day you had snatched the dolls I would make. Now you are taking away the doll of my life." Now the grandfather said to Kishan Lal that, "My dear, one day you had snatched my profession, that you had taken my place. Now you are taking away the doll of my life." The granddaughter put her arms around the old man's neck and whispered to him, "Dada, with you in it all." So that is the story written by the Rabindranath Tagore. That is the new doll. I think I have completed the chapter. Next video I will start question answer of this chapter.